In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a normal map from scratch to create this render image. This is how the scene looks like. This cube was subdivided. Let's create a plane. To create a cubic normal map with color variations, we must subdivide the mesh first by right-clicking and typing S. Type 3 to select faces. Deselect everything and random select like this. The ratio is 0.25. The idea is to add color variations between black and white to create a normal map that will be used as a displacement material. Deselect and repeat. We must render this image, and save it as PNG. We'll import this image and use it as a normal map on our displacement node. Let's create a cube, and subdivide it in edit mode. Please add any materials for the ground mesh. This is how the material looks like in Eevee. The mesh looks much better in cycles. Here are the full nodes. Please remember to set the surface displacement as displacement only. I have imported the saved PNG file as image by using an image texture node. RGB to BW node is needed if the PNG images contain different colors from HDRI or other sources. The displacement node is connected to the displacement. Here are my composite settings. I have used cycles with 32 samples to render the scene. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.